Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, click on OK in the pop-up and then OK in the other one about visibility to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Nothing Phone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!